member come to you and say, hey man, I really want to get into crypto, how do you tell them to get started out?
First thing I do is tell them to understand like why crypto is important. You know, there's a lot of YouTube videos. Join CryptoIQ.
What do you think is the best way to get the basics down?
I mean, if they're new to investing as a whole, I tell them to stay in the big 3, big 5, big 10, stick to the largest currencies, get comfortable maneuvering within the ecosystem, learn how wallets work, understand two-factor authentication, just the basics of how to interact. Because once you learn how to interact with the ecosystem, contrary to what you hear in the media, it's safer than shopping at Target.
What would you say to someone that wants to learn the basics of crypto? If someone came to you and said, hey, I want to get into crypto, what would be like the basic things you'd say, here's how you can get into crypto?
Try to buy a little Bitcoin and then just understand what it is you're buying and how it works, you know, how to get it, how to take care of it. And then people go into the rabbit hole and they just keep going and they just keep learning more and more and more. All
right, so you're thinking more like a trial and error, like try it out, maybe make some mistakes or whatnot and learn how to navigate the waters.
I mean, you can explain to anyone, it's kind of like digital money, you know, and they get that. But then once you actually do it and you try to get it into your life and understand why you would use it, and why you would have it, then it kind of sets into people's frames a little better.
And why would you use it? What are the advantages to using cryptocurrency?
You know, store of value. Some people use it as a medium of exchange, but you know, it has its limitations in that for right now. Right now, it's very experimental.
There's over 1 billion people that don't have access to bank accounts, and that's a huge reason why cryptocurrency is so popular in the developing countries, in the developing world.
All right, so you find that to be one of the advantages, is that it's easier to let people use it around the world.
Yeah.
What are one of the disadvantages of cryptocurrency?
It's very volatile, very risky, and you should only put in what you can afford to put in and lose, because there's a good chance you'll lose it.
You're stepping outside the money system we have right now that's killing cash, and you're unaffected by inflation. Nobody can take it away from you. Nobody can say how you can spend it. I mean, there's a million, it has its risks, but there are a million positives.
The simple act of being able to send large amounts of money privately and extremely cheaply anywhere around the world is a huge benefit over the traditional banking system, where sending money involves a lot of paperwork and process and time, and you have like everyone involved in it, like 50 people know about it. It's like a whole hassle. That simple act and that simple thing that no one can tell you no is what gives Bitcoin its value.